The first time I set foot in Bangkok was on an afternoon in mid-July. The flight from Da Nang City lasted just over an hour and a half. As soon as I stepped out of the airport, I felt the heat, quite different from the cool weather of Lagos. After checking in at the hotel and resting a bit, we went out to eat and took a walk in the nearby park. I could feel the sound of tuk-tuk and the constant movement of people. During our stay in Bangkok, we all used the SkyTrain to get around. The first time I took the SkyTrain in Bangkok, I found this strangely enjoyable. Buying tickets automatically, lining up neatly, no jostling, no noise. The train ran fast, smoothly, and had cold air conditioning. The SkyTrain was not only a means of transportation, but also a way for me to observe Bangkok, a multi-layered city, both modern and traditional, always moving but never in a hurry. The next day, we took a cruise along the Chao Phraya River. The Chao Phraya is not just a beautiful landscape, it's the breath of the city. From early morning, we could see the boat carrying passengers back and forth, people going to work, and children going to school by the river. That rhythm of life was unique, making me feel that Bangkok was not only modern but also very close and ordinary. Bangkok still retains its traditional culture through ancient temples such as Wat Arun, Wat Phra Kieu, or the Grand Palace. I was stunned by the exquisite beauty of Buddhist architecture here, a combination of spirituality and art. In Bangkok, there are many famous shopping malls such as Siam Paragon, Central World, and MBK. But for me, the place that impressed me the most is IconSiam. IconSiam is an international class shopping mall located on the banks of the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, Thailand. IconSiam is known as the symbol of Thai pride, combining high-end shopping, art, traditional and modern culture in a large and luxurious space. The interior space is meticulously and artistically designed, giving the feeling of entering a living museum of Thai culture. Bangkok cuisine also left a lasting impression on me. Bangkok cuisine is a delicate blend of sour, spicy, salty, sweet, and bitter flavors. This has a blend of flavors that creates a complete culinary experience. From pad thai, tom yum, somtim, to street food like mango sticky rice, coconut ice cream. The dishes seals my taste. What's special is that I had the chance to experience the famous After You here. After You is a prominent dessert cafe chain in Bangkok, famous for its specialty desserts such as Sai honey toast and mango sticky rice category. If you love sweet flavors, beautifully presented food, and a relaxing cafe experience, this is the place to try when visit Bangkok. Bangkok is not too strange, not too flashy. It's close, friendly, and always know how to surprise people. This trip taught me many things. Discovery is street by myself, knowing how to take the SkyTrain, subway, bargaining at the night market, getting lost in the spicy aroma of street food, and learning to enjoy the uncertainty of not having a clear plan. Leaving Bangkok, I feel bolder and more experienced.